What if I told you there's a motorhome so luxurious, so outrageously premium, that it feels less like an RV and more like a rolling 5-star presidential suite? Imagine pulling into a campsite and instantly becoming the center of attention. People stop, stare, and pull out their phones because what they're looking at isn't just another motorhome, it's a masterpiece on wheels. Today, we're checking out the stunning 2026 Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale, a luxury motorhome designed to redefine what it means to travel in style. From its jaw-dropping exterior design to its palace-like interior and powerful performance, this machine pushes the boundaries of comfort and engineering. But here's the big question: if money were no object, would you choose this luxury mansion on wheels over a traditional luxury home? Stick around because this motorhome has some incredible surprises you won't want to miss. Welcome back to ST Reviews Hub. Today we're taking a deep dive into the magnificent 2026 Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale, one of the most luxurious and technologically advanced motorhomes ever imagined. This is not just transportation. It's a statement of prestige, elegance, and ultimate freedom. The first thing that grabs your attention is the breathtaking exterior design. Mercedes-Benz has combined futuristic styling with timeless luxury to create a motorhome that looks like it belongs in the next decade. The front fascia features a massive illuminated Mercedes-Benz grille, sleek LED matrix headlights, and aerodynamic body lines that give the Grand Palazzo Imperiale a commanding road presence. Its enormous dimensions create a truly imposing appearance. Yet every curve and detail has been carefully sculpted for both beauty and efficiency. Premium metallic paint options add an extra layer of sophistication, while chrome accents and polished trim elements highlight its luxury-focused personality. Massive panoramic windows stretch across the sides, allowing natural light to flood the cabin while giving passengers stunning views of their surroundings. The motorhome rides on custom luxury alloy wheels designed specifically for heavy-duty touring. Integrated side awnings extend automatically at the touch of a button, instantly transforming outdoor spaces into comfortable lounge areas. Advanced camera systems replace traditional mirrors, improving aerodynamics while providing crystal clear visibility. Moving inside, the Grand Palazzo Imperiale immediately feels like stepping into an ultra-luxury penthouse suite. Every surface showcases exceptional craftsmanship. Premium leather upholstery, handcrafted wood veneers, polished metal accents, and ambient lighting work together to create an atmosphere of unmatched refinement. The main living area is incredibly spacious thanks to multiple slide-out sections that dramatically expand the interior once parked. Plush reclining lounge seats offer first-class comfort, while oversized sofas provide the perfect place to relax after a long journey. The flooring features premium materials that blend durability with elegance, creating a warm and inviting environment. One of the standout features is the stunning panoramic lounge. Large windows surround the seating area, creating an open and airy feeling rarely found in traditional motorhomes. During the day, passengers enjoy breathtaking views, while at night the ambient lighting transforms the space into a cozy luxury retreat. The entertainment system is equally impressive. Massive ultra-high-definition displays are seamlessly integrated. Whether you're streaming movies, watching sports, or enjoying your favorite music, the experience rivals many luxury home theaters. The dining area continues the theme of sophistication. A beautifully crafted table serves as the centerpiece, surrounded by luxurious seating designed for both comfort and style. Intelligent lighting systems allow passengers to customize the atmosphere depending on the occasion. Whether it's a casual breakfast or an elegant evening dinner, the kitchen is another masterpiece. High-end appliances, premium countertops, and extensive storage solutions make meal preparation effortless. Every detail has been carefully considered to ensure functionality without compromising luxury. The layout feels more like a modern upscale apartment than a traditional motorhome kitchen. The master bedroom delivers an exceptional level of comfort. A king-size bed with premium mattress technology ensures restful sleep no matter where your adventures take you. Elegant cabinetry provides abundant storage space, while integrated lighting and climate controls allow occupants to create the perfect environment. Large windows offer incredible views, making every morning feel like waking up in a luxury resort. Technology plays a major role throughout the Grand Palazzo Imperiale. Smart controls manage lighting, climate settings, entertainment, functions, security systems, and power management through intuitive touchscreen interfaces. Voice commands and smartphone connectivity add another layer of convenience, allowing owners to control various functions remotely. Now let's talk performance, because this luxury palace isn't just about comfort. Underneath the sophisticated bodywork lies serious Mercedes-Benz engineering. The 2026 Grand Palazzo Imperiale is expected to be powered by an advanced turbocharged diesel engine paired with a sophisticated automatic transmission. This powertrain delivers impressive torque, making it capable of moving the massive motorhome with surprising confidence. Highway cruising feels effortless thanks to smooth power delivery and advanced drivetrain technology. Long-distance travel becomes remarkably relaxing, even when covering hundreds of miles in a single day. Mercedes-Benz has also equipped the Grand Palazzo Imperiale with cutting-edge suspension technology. Adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, providing an exceptionally smooth ride. Whether navigating highways, mountain roads, or uneven terrain, passengers enjoy outstanding comfort and stability. Advanced driver assistance systems further enhance the driving experience. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras help reduce driver fatigue while improving safety. Despite its large size, the motorhome feels surprisingly manageable thanks to these intelligent technologies. Fuel efficiency remains respectable considering the vehicle's dimensions and capabilities. Advanced engine management systems optimize performance while helping reduce fuel consumption during long journeys. Of course, luxury at this level comes with a premium price tag. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale is expected to start around $1.8 million, with highly customized versions potentially exceeding $3 million depending on selected features, materials, and bespoke personalization options. While that's a significant investment, buyers aren't simply purchasing a motorhome, they're investing in a mobile luxury lifestyle unlike anything else on the road. The Grand Palazzo Imperiale represents the ultimate combination of luxury, innovation, performance, and freedom. It delivers the comfort of a luxury residence, the technology of a modern smart home, and the adventure of limitless travel, all within one extraordinary package. So, what do you think about the incredible 2026 Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale? If you had the opportunity to own this rolling palace, where would your first road trip destination be? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest luxury vehicle reviews. Thanks for watching SD Reviews Hub, and we'll see you in the next one.